Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Please do consider subscribing if you have not already. I really truly appreciate it. I see all the subscribers that I have and I can't thank you all enough. I really do hope that I'm bringing you some type of value through showing you these types of stocks and what their fundamental analysis really is. Alright, now let's get right into it. This is a very hot stock right now. This one's popping. It's been popping lately. This is Upstart, and it's basically a lending platform that takes out, all the traditional paperwork that other, banks try to make you go through when trying to get a home or anything like that. And they've completely taken away all of the hassle of the whole loan process for a lot of things and refinancing and stuff like that. So this is a platform that's looking to change fundamentally the way things are done just through technology alone. So this is a great startup. It actually came public in January 2021, so at the beginning of this year, and it has just been on an upward rocket ship trajectory ever since, and we will go over that at the end of this video. Now, as of the close of October 15th, which was a Friday, 2021, Upstart was at a $390 closing price. It had just climbed and climbed and climbed all this past week, and so much so that it has gotten out of the average analyst price target of $280. So at this point, it's looking at like a 28% downside from where the analysts had seen it could go. They didn't think it would go this high, at least this quick, to 390. And it's listed as a strong buy based on 6 ratings. And if we look at the stock analysis, we can see that there is a 9 score, which is an outperform. That's very, very good. And now, if we look at the income statement, we can see that back from 2019, Upstart has started to have a huge uptrend in revenue. Yeah, they only had 159 million in revenue, and they don't really have much for income. But this should change because again, this is really like a financial app, a fintech kind of play with Upstart. If we look at their balance sheet, they have cash of 250 million, total current assets of about 408 million, total current liabilities of 177 million, and they have total, let's see, long-term debt. It actually looks like they do not have any long-term debt. I'm not sure if that's true or not. Someone can fact check me on that, but that's pretty good. That's what we want to see. So we have good working capital because total current assets is stronger than total current liabilities. And if we even look at the cash flow statement, like I said before, they have a very small loss, but it still is a loss. And if we look at their, looks like when they long-term debt issuances is pretty consistent, but then their payback is also very consistent as well. So it looks like they do probably have a little bit in long-term debt, not much at all though, not more than a few million. That's what it looks like. It looks like equity issuances. This is not calculated yet because of the it doesn't take into effect what happened in January of 2021, which is when they went public. Again, this is all information from just in 2019, 2018, 2017. So it does not take into account equity issuances from then. If we look at repurchases, obviously they just repurchased a tiny little bit because they have not really issued much. Again, this was all, they went public in January of 2021, so none of that will be reflected in these numbers. And now if we look at a portfolio of Upstart, if you invested $10,000 at its IPO in January 2021, as of September 2021, you would actually have about $77,000. Holy crap. You could go from 10,000 to 77,000 within, 9 months and get a 676% return. That's crazy. And if we look at the monthly metrics, they had 3 down months out of the 9, and that's not too bad. Basically 2 double-digit months down, but I would take this amount down and this amount down to get 38, 89, 35, 96, and 52% up. So, 5 of the 9 periods were up a lot. So that's pretty good. I'm not really going to give a price target on this one. I think that it is a great stock. I'm actually trading it in a paper account right now, so we'll see how that goes. So I am interested in it, but it is a little bit too high for me. I have no idea how much higher it could go, but just an idea. So anyway, hope you guys like this video. It was quicker than the other ones. Please do subscribe, and I'll see you soon.